Hey, if you're using WhatsApp, Signal, or Telegram on your phone, you need to make these security changes right now. Yeah, you heard me right. I mean, right now. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name still remains Oboypapi. If today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this, and don't forget to smash on the bell so you can receive notification whenever I drop a new video. I also appreciate if you hit on the like button. Last but not the least, don't forget to drop your comment because it matters to me a lot. I'll be right back.
For the best cryptocurrency exchange platform, then look nowhere other than cexchange.com, the best leading African-based exchanger. Buy and sell all your cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ether and even PayPal, Perfect Money, Skrill and so much more. All you need to do is visit www.cexchange.com and place your order.
Hey guys, welcome back once again. So after WhatsApp announced their update of 8 policies to share data with Facebook, millions of its users migrated to other messaging apps. The two favorites have been Telegram and Signal, apparently for offering greater privacy. However, none of these three is completely reliable unless you change certain security settings to better protect your information. Cybersecurity expert Zach Dorfman claims that Telegram and Signal promise more privacy than traditional platforms. However, like WhatsApp, they have important settings that are not predetermined and that must be modified from now on. Now that these platforms are gaining popularity, the specialist shared his recommendations to configure the devices so that our data is less accessible. Now let's begin with WhatsApp. In this app, messages are encrypted end-to-end and only users have access to the content. However, Dorfman says that the problem is not the metadata, that is who, when, and where in relation to your messages, as well as all your contacts and information about your device. WhatsApp can still be used, however, it's necessary to change these fundamental configurations to stay safe. 1. Avoid malicious content you receive, such as unknown links and attachments. 2. You need to disable the option to automatically save images in the phone gallery. 3. You must obtain the PIN number that the two-step verification offers to prevent hackers from hijacking your account with deception. 4. Turn off the backups. While the messages are protected as they are sent, if you use the WhatsApp option to back up your chat history to the Apple or Google Cloud, those copies are not protected by the end-to-end encryption. Now let's move to Telegram. As in WhatsApp and Signal, when you access Telegram for the first time on a device, you must enter a phone number, then they ask you to write a confirmation message which you received through SMS. The problem is that if someone steals that code, they can hijack your account and access your content. To be safe on Telegram, I personally recommend the following changes. 1. Activate the two-step verification, that is the 2FA. Go to the settings, enter the privacy and security section, and add a password, and you are done. That is it. Now, the second one is change your privacy settings. In the privacy section, choose the only your contact can communicate with you and no one else. You can also limit who sees your profile and also sees your current status, that is whether you are online or offline. And the last connection is shown, or who can add you to groups. The third one, I recommend that you use a lock code. If the other people besides you have access to your device, it's very important to protect your chat. 4. Periodically review the active sessions in your account. This way you can make sure that no one has entered from another device. And the fifth one, I'm going to recommend you always have a secret chat, which is end-to-end encryption. Telegram offers secret chat which offer encryption from one device to another, but it doesn't work for groups. To start a secret chat, go to the normal chat with your contact, click on the 3 dots on your Android or more on iOS and choose Start Secret Chat. Finally, I'm going to recommend activation of self-destruction. Another attraction of this app is that it has the option of destroying messages shortly after being viewed. Now let's continue with Signal app. With this app, it has more or less the same advantages and limitations as Telegram. Of course, this application is not a risk-free either, and it's also advisable to modify some settings. 1. I recommend you activate the registry lock. This will prevent someone else from having access to your conversation history in case your account is stolen or hijacked. 2. Set the screen lock using a biometric security or a passcode. 3. Turn off the previews. This way the messages will not appear on the main screen of the device. 4. Disable screenshots outside of the app. And finally, the 5th one, make it your default SMS messaging app. By doing this, the messaging will be more secure and encrypted, unlike the conventional one. Finally, my final advice to everyone is WhatsApp collects much more data than Telegram, but they are few compared to other apps such as Facebook, Messenger, Google, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. So unless you avoid these other apps, WhatsApp is not your biggest problem. There is much bigger problem referring to Facebook plans to integrate WhatsApp with Messenger and Instagram. The idea is to create a great messaging giant that brings together all its audience. It will be much more serious for user privacy than the recent update. We are done for today. See you on my next video. Peace. I'm out.
I've been feeling lonely. I've been feeling staring at the pictures on the walls. Every time I see you with some other